On February 4th, 2025, Florida Fish and Wildlife received a tip that two individuals were observed keeping an excessive amount of trout. Officer Williamson conducted a fisheries inspection at the boat ramp.
Hey, how are you, sir? Y'all tear them up today? No?
They was doing all right this morning, but it's kind of small.
Yeah.
This afternoon, they,
Shut down?
yeah.
A lot more water in here now.
Yeah, it's coming in.
Early this morning, it was pretty dry. How you doing?
Oh, good. How are you?
Good, good.
Doing all right?
Yes, sir.
Ricky, let's go. All right. You want to push me off a little bit?
I can do that.
Y'all got some fish in there?
No, we just fixing to go in.
Your truck's been sitting right there for the last 4 hours. And he told me you've been out already.
Well, we did, but we're fixing to go back.
Okay. Let me go ahead and take a look at your coolers real quick. Y'all, how many fish you got?
15, 20.
15 or 20?
Yeah.
You got trout?
Yeah.
You know what the limit is?
Huh?
Do you know what the limit is?
No idea.
Okay. Yeah, we got some issues there, man. All right. We'll take these over to my truck. I'm gonna pull my truck down here and drop the tailgate, and we'll go through them, and I'll talk to you about the limits and stuff.
Want me to help you?
No, I got it. I appreciate you.
Ricky, you want to tie that off to the pole there? Or, while you doing that, if it's all right, we'll load. Go. We ain't going back out. I'm not going back.
You're not going back out? Yeah, you can go ahead and load your boat if you want to. Let me go ahead and get your driver's license. And do you qualify for a fishing license, or are you over 65?
I'm 70.
Okay. Did both of y'all catch the fish? You got your vessel registration, or is it in the boat? The vessel registration?
I have to get it out.
Okay, don't worry about it right now. Sir, do you have a fishing license, or are you exempt? Do you have a fishing license, or are you exempt?
No, sir, I don't have one.
How old are you?
I'm 60.
64? Okay, you're required to have one. So the size limit on trout, do you know the size limit on trout? It's 15 to 19.
15 to 19.
Yes, sir. And the limit, the bag limit per individual is 5 fish per individual.
Per individual.
So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna measure these trout out. I already know I can see in there that some of them are undersized, so I'm gonna measure those out. We'll figure out how many we got, and then we'll go from there.
Well, I will be digging out the regular fish. You need the life preservers to see them.
Yeah, we'll take a look at that. I mean, if you want to lay them out on the deck, that'll be fine.
I'll do that.
Thank you, sir.
I have flares.
Okay.
I have one pack that's up to date and about 3 packs that's not up to date.
Okay.
I think that one pack that's good is enough, right? Yeah, there's a square one you need to.
know, you gotta let these little ones, you gotta let them, that's the reason there's a slot limit on these. You gotta let them grow.
If that's like what you need.
Yeah, that's the trailer there. I don't need that one.
Well, I got the other one right here.
All right.
I keep them together.
Okay. Do me a favor, put that under your life jacket so it don't blow away. And I'll come over and take a look at it as soon as I get done with this.
And I just had an address change,
Okay.
and the address on these documents don't match what's on my driver's license.
How long ago did your dress change?
Less than a month.
Okay, you're fine.
What do you think about? Do you have any influence on getting them to grade this road?
Oh, I have no idea.
Who would I contact?
County.
Huh?
County.
It's not a county road.
That's who I'd contact. I mean, that's the people that are gonna,
Get with the program.
yeah, get with the program. Give me a second, because I'm still counting.
Yeah, okay. I'm sorry.
All right, come here. Let me show you what I got so far. I got 29 fish over the limit here. He doesn't have a license, so you're going to be able to pick your best 5 out of this, and then I'm going to seize 5 more fish because he doesn't have a fishing license to possess these.
Yeah.
So pick your best 5.
Well, it don't really matter.
Well, I didn't want to pick them for you.
I hear you. Well, you always pick the biggest one.
Oh, of course.
Is what I heard.
Got 5 in there. Okay. So it's going to put you 29. That's going to put you about 35 over the bag limit. Yeah. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to get a citation for over the bag limit and a citation for undersized trout.
Okay.
About 29 of these are undersized. The others are within the size limit, but it's still putting you over the bag limit. So it's going to take me a few minutes. If y'all want to sit in the truck or whatever to get out of the sand nets, if they're bothering you that bad, I got to do some paperwork. It'll take me about 5 or 10 minutes. Just be patient with me.
I will.
And I'll get that knocked out.
Can I put this back in the
Yep, you can take it now. Let's see, you got your top 4, life jacket, your flares. Take a look at your flares real quick.
The oil. Make sure it's high.
All right, your flares are out of date. These may be good. Let me see.
I think there's one of them there that I bought recently.
This one looks like a new pack.
Yeah.
Yep, 27. Those are good. Don't throw those away. You may want to toss that one.
I'm not. Yeah.
But keep those, and You know, those are in pretty good shape too. They're probably out of date, but you're good to go on the flares. You don't need a fire extinguisher. You guys are good to go on that. So let me get this. So this is how it's gonna go. Like I said, you're gonna get a citation for over the bag limit and undersized trout. You'll have a court date first Tuesday in April. I'll have all that paperwork for you. You need to get a brochure or something that gives you all the rules and regulations of what you can catch, what you can't, because sometimes they'll close flounder season and you may not know it, but you gotta keep up on that stuff. So if y'all want to get in the truck and get out of sand nets, give me about 10 minutes. I'll be right with you.
We do. You need my paperwork there?
No, I'm good on that. Did you? I didn't see you fishing today, so that's why you're not getting charged with over the bag limit or undersized, because I didn't see you. What he's getting charged with is having them in possession. But I didn't see you fishing, so I shouldn't write you a citation because I didn't see you fishing. You could have been out there sunbathing on the bow of the boat.
He was.
Yeah, right?
Oh.
So you're going to get a warning. But you got to go get you. Now, next year, when do you turn 65?
Next year,
What? I don't know. What month?
April.
So April on your birth date, after that, you don't need a fishing license. You're exempt. But until then, you need to get one. Otherwise, you could be facing a citation and a court date.
What I do, just go up there and tell them I turned 65.
Yep.
Sir?
Yep.
Now, some of these fish I caught yesterday.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Doesn't matter. You could have caught them a week ago. It doesn't matter.
Well, okay.
You got to have them in. It's in possession.
Okay. Well, all right.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go wash my hands and I'm gonna knock out some paperwork. You can do it right there if you want. So I explained to you, over the bag limit, undersized sea trout.
Right.
When you flip your copy over, it's going to give you a court date, April 1st. That's the first Tuesday of the month in April, 8:30 a.m. I need your signature.
You got it.
Right there. And do you have a driver's license on you?
I got an ID.
That's fine. So what I'm going to do, this is your copy, and I'm going to kind of butcher it up a little bit. I'm just going to kind of circle some important things on here. The date.
You from Perry?
I'm not from Perry, but I'm working here. I'm from Franklin County. Carabel, Apalachicola,
I got you.
East Point, that area. So if you're from Perry, obviously you know where the courthouse is.
I do.
That's your court date, that's your time. That's the most 3 important things on there. If you don't show up on that date,
I'll be there.
they're going to come looking for you.
I'll be there.
Don't go anywhere. I'm going to take a picture of your license and I'm going to hand it right back to you. Give me 2 seconds. Again, you're getting a warning today for no fishing license. I didn't see you fishing, but I'm going to document it because obviously you told me y'all were out fishing, but I didn't see it, so I don't feel comfortable about writing you a citation.
Okay.
But I am going to write you a warning.
I go ahead
So
and need to get my license.
get that taken care of.
I need to go ahead and get my license.
Get it taken care of before you come back out. Because next time it'll be a citation.
I got
We try to give everybody a free pass
you.
on that kind of thing once, but fish being 30-something over the limit and 20-something under the size, that's a little excessive. So I hope that was fair.
You got my attention.
All right, sir, have a good day.
You
You too now.
You got your license back, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, have a good one.
Productive day?
Yep,
Wow.
you could say so.
Was that this one the fella left, just left?
Yeah, we got a tip on the hotline this morning, which those never pan out.
Covert off.
Unfortunately, we are unable to locate any court records associated with this interaction. If you like this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to Arrest Cam. As always, thanks for watching.